Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
So I primed my lids with Plouise base and aroma number 3, y'all. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to do this eyeshadow for y'all. Brows is snatched. I'm going to this Makeupaddiction palette and I'm going to grab, excuse the tip of my thumb, it's broke, this color right here. I'm going to take the Makeupaddiction brush, this flat, this medium shader brush. I'm only going to do 2 colors, y'all. So I'm going to do this color and I'm going to do this brown. I'm going to take this right here. Vanessa palette from Juvias Place. Brown is so pretty. Juvias Place be having the best browns. To me, like, man. So packing this right on top of that. Now that I have these 2 colors, I'm going to go back with both of the colors. So the first color that I laid down, I want to go back in with that one on a Morphe 513 brush. So the brush up under that, it's a little fluffier. And I'm just going to blend this out. I want to tap it in. No black, dark brown, y'all. This is dark brown. I did go ahead and tap extra product, but not too much. Barely any product, you know? Just tapping it. I'm taking this, any excess product or any product that's on here, I take it back a little bit, like right there. I don't take any excess product or nothing like that. I just tap it out. That's all. So basically put the lid shade down and like basically seamlessly blend everything. You see that? Y'all see that? So if you go too far up, you can just basically get your brush with your base on it and go over it. Alright, y'all, so I think I found a color. I'm going to this Juvias Place Masquerade palette and I'm going to grab this Morphe E13 brush. I'm packing this on. I'm not even packing this towards the back, but I am packing this on. This white. I want to take a white. Which is going to be in my inner corner. I just feel like the whites be, I don't know, be making the looks popping. These My Mink Max 3D Max Volume MM22 lashes. These, I got the case backwards. My foundation on, y'all. I'm about to try my Infallible Full Wear. Let's consider this my favorite part right here. I'm telling you, this make a difference. I did go ahead and start the piece, set, and I'm gonna stay with this. Y'all already know, warm beige. Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr foundation powders. Okay, so I'm taking 460, and honestly, I'm concentrating first, and then I'm gonna blow it out. I'm deepening this up, y'all. This is the contour one, 8 Deep AD. My cheeks up with this. And this brush that I'm taking is a jumbo powder from the crown brush. Feeling it. Back underneath here, and then I think I'm going to smoke it out with Inglot Gel Liner. So I just want to tight line this, y'all. Y'all, tight line. That brush right there was a Morphe 423 brush, and then this one I'm gonna tight line with, smoke it out, is a E36 brush. And to smoke it out, I'm going over my favorite color, which is this one out of this palette. Draw under my lip. This is so just like that. LA Girl. I should know these names by now, y'all. Lasting Brown. Y'all know me. I do not play about my dose of colors. Like, I feel like that's the only lipstick that I can get that pale nude. I went in with this color right there. So I want to bake this nose one more time. Blush, I think I'm gonna do pink blush. This is from Mariah Carey, the Mariah Carey collection from MAC. It is called You've Got Me Feeling. Okay, so I don't know. I'm liking this peach Bellini. It's Champagne Glam. So I think I'm gonna do Champagne Glam on the outer parts of my lip, like where the brown is, and then in the middle, I want to do white diamond, but I don't know where it's at. Radiant Cut from Jlarue, y'all. I feel like I never do my nose in the middle no more. Like this supposed to be right here. I don't know. Okay, so who was this just sent? They just sent these. This is from the JCat. It's called You Glow highlighter, y'all. And yes, come on.